To assemble the NAHANCO K29 spiral costumer, start by unscrewing the bolt from the bottom of the first upright. Leaving the locking washer on the bolt, insert the bolt through the bottom of the base. Place the second washer on the bolt on top of the base and screw on the upright. Tighten the bolt with the large hex key included. Place the upper half of the upright onto the first upright. Attach spiral support posts to the upright. Do not tighten yet, as you may need to adjust them. Attach the spiral to the post by unscrewing the bolts at the end of each support post and inserting them through the brackets in the spiral. Tighten with the small hex key included. That concludes the assembly of the NAHANCO K29 spiral costumer.